Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration that is hosted by Kat over at Sam and Kat on YouTube. Be sure to check out this playlist linked in the description box down below. Today's video, we are going to be bringing you all our videos that are telling you all what is our favorite cleaning products to use in the house. So I thought that I would take you guys along today to show you all what I use to clean my dishes, what I use to clean my bathroom, and what products I use to get my house smelling good and looking good. So stay tuned and be sure to check out the playlist at the end. All right, so I just made fish last night, or chicken, one of the two. And it's time to throw this out. And basically what I do is throw it outside instead of pouring it into something because I don't have anything. And then I'm going to show you the product I use on the normal to clean this out once I drain the grease. So I just tend to kind of like rinse out the rest of the grease. Meanwhile, the product that I love to use in order to wash this and things like that with grease is the Dawn Platinum Power Wash Dish Spray. And so it works just simple and plain. Alright, so moving right along, after washing this with the Dawn Power Wash, I like to use these products to wash my dishes. This is the Miss Meyers Lemon Verbena scent. I love using this to wash my dishes. So what I do is just put a little bit around, and I'll take a rag that I clearly just used, rinse out my sink before I get started, just because, and then I will go ahead, turn the water on, kind of like rinse it out just a tad bit, go ahead and plug in my dish stopper, and I'll go ahead and just add what I need to, go ahead and get things rolling, and I'll start adding in some dishes. Okay, so now that my dishes are done, I am honestly just done. This is, like I said, my favorite dish soap to use now, the Miss Meyers dish soap. This is lemon scented. It is a really great product where it's made with these items here, and then it's made without these items here, just in case anyone wanted to know. I also like to use the hand soap after handling raw meat or like getting my hands dirty and stuff like that. So these are really great hand soaps, has your hands smelling like that scent for a good while after. For spills such as this on my oven, I do like to use this. So I definitely love using Miss Meyers cleaning products. This one right here is the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and I just like to wait until it has cooled down to go ahead and spray it. So here underneath my cabinet is where I keep all of my cleaning supplies at. I have all of like the Mr. Clean. So I do coupon, or I was couponing. I've stopped in order to buy the house. But unfortunately, I don't know how that's gonna go. So yeah, I keep a bunch of power wash. I have other different products like disinfectant, where I can easily just refill this and fill it up to the water line and spray it on doorknobs and things like that to disinfect my house, as I am a teacher and work around a lot of different kiddos. And I also like to keep the air fresheners on deck as much as possible and have my house smelling good. So like I said before, I did coupon, and this is like where I keep all of my favorite supplies at. But my favorite to use for like my laundry and to wash stuff is the Gain, as well as the Snuggle. So here you can see I just have, like I said, either Snuggle or Gain Fireworks, Gain Flings, you name it. Okay, so here you can see me getting ready to put a load into the washer, just to show you guys what my favorite products to use are. So I am going ahead and throwing in his bed stuff so that it can be washed for the week. I am using the Gain Flings. I will be adding 3 in. I do like how these dissolve in the water and I don't have to worry about pouring anything. And then I add in my fabric softener to go with it, and go ahead and turn it on and start the washer up. As you walk into the bathroom, over here in this little small corner is where I keep all of my supplies at for cleaning the bathroom. I have Mr. Clean, Comet, things such as like the air fresheners. I also have the daily shower cleaner. I have Miss Meyers in lilac scent, and then I also have the bathroom cleaner, along with some sponges, scrubs, and scrub brushes. The one good thing about this right here is being one of my favorite is that you can easily go and just buy reuse to restock up on the things that are down in here. They come in like a 10-pack. You also can buy a 20-pack, I think, but you never have to throw the wand away, and that's just one of the good things, and you can easily set it by your toilet like I do. So what you could do is flush it, and while the water is flowing, you can easily let it drain, or you can just scrunch it and next it just goes straight in the trash. Okay, so I do use the Jaws glass cleaner to clean the mirror. I also love the wallflowers from Bath & Body Works. This is one of my newer ones, Pumpkin Spice Latte. And I like getting these, especially when they're on sale. I caught the sale the other day when they were $2.95 each. So I like to put these in the bathroom and have my bathroom smelling good. And there it is. And it even lights up. So yes guys, those are my favorite products to use in my kitchen and in my bathroom, and also my favorite products to use for washing clothes and doing laundry. So be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below, as well as checking out the hostess channel. It's called Sam and Cat.